can we put this in the washing machine all by itself?
Well, we need to wash it with the other dirty clothes so we don't waste water. But first, we need to sort the clothes into 2 separate piles. One for the white clothes and the other for the colorful clothes.
Why do we need to sort the clothes? Oh, is it so that this red doesn't get on my white cape?
You're so smart, Michaela.
Everyone, sort the clothes with me. This goes in the colorful pile. And this goes in the white pile. These go in the white pile. And this goes in the colorful pile. This goes in the white pile. And this in the colorful pile. And this in the colorful pile. All done.
Great job. I'm going to wash the white clothes first. Please get the detergent off the shelf.
Everyone, say that word with me.
Detergent.
Grandma, what is detergent for?
Well, detergent is soap that we use to wash our dirty clothes.
Oh. And how much do we need?
Well, let's read the container together. Here it says we need 2 scoops of detergent for 1 load of clothes.
Everyone, count 2 scoops with me. Grab your scoopers.
1,
2. 2 scoops of detergent.
Fabulous.
Will it work now?
Not yet. We need to put money inside the machine to make it work. Here it says we need $1, but it takes only coins.
Mommy gave me quarters for the machine.
Fabulous. We need 4 quarters to make $1.
Ooh, everybody, count 4 quarters with me. Grab your quarters.
1,
2, 3,
4.
Will it work now?
Not yet. We have to push the start button to start the machine. Everyone get your pointer fingers out and help us push the button to start the machine. And beep!
Ooh. Is it done yet?
Not yet.
Okay, how about now?
Not yet.
Okay, how about now?
Not yet, Michaela. What's wrong?
I just want my cape to be like it was.
And it will be. Everything can be fixed. Now, take my favorite shirt, for example. It has a big rip in it, but I want to wear this tomorrow when I go home.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
How?
We can sew it together with needle and thread.
Sewing! Can I help?
I'll definitely need your help. Here, you hold the shirt.
Okay.
And we're going to get our needle and thread out. Here we are.
Ooh, we're sewing.
You can help us sew too. Get your needle and thread out, and we're going to go in and out. In and out. In and out.
We're sewing.
In and out. Now we need to tie it with a knot. Good as new.
We fixed it.
We fixed it.
Everything can be fixed.
Everything can be fixed.
Just like my cape.
Just like your cape.
Your dad and I need your help in the garage.
Grandma, I think I hear Mommy and Daddy calling for me.
Okay, I'll put your cape in the dryer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.